how to get custom text in Please Donate Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get custom text in Please Donate Roblox. In order to get a custom text on Roblox, first of all, open up your Roblox application. For that, open up a browser, type in roblox.com, and this is going to direct you to your homepage. Make sure that you're logged into your game. After you're logged into your game, open up a web browser, or after you open up a new tab. After that, on the web address bar, you'll need to paste in the link where you can actually customize your text. So don't worry about the link, I'll be sure to drop the description box below. Right, you need to scroll down a bit and it's going to direct you to the page where you'll be able to make changes or customize the text. First of all, you need to enter the desired text that you want to add it on your game, on your plate. Just change the font if you want to do it so. And once you've done that, select the color of the font, whatever you wish to do it. After that, you can also add a stroke if you want, and you can also select the color for it. Once done that, you can see this is the particular link. Now copy the link. After that, open up your Roblox, and now you need to log in into your Please Donate game. So open up the game, and after you open up your game, walk towards your stand. After that, click on the play button. After that, you can just simply copy paste the particular link that you recently copied, and that's basically how you can customize your text on Roblox. So this is a simple way of customizing text on Roblox. That is all for this. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.